My name is Sunil Bisnath. I'm a professor of geomatics engineering, and I'd like to take a little time to describe what geomatics engineering is to all of you. Geomatics focuses on spatial information and the collection of that information, the processing of it, the analysis of it, and the representation of spatial information. There are so many real-world examples of geomatics at work. The minute you pick up your smartphone and you order that Uber, the same as when you're waiting at the bus stop for when the next bus will come, or you order a pizza and how do they know how long the pizza will take to get to you, and how do they actually get to your house? Pokemon Go, where we're able to overlay a digital world onto the real world, attaching the spatial information to the COVID cases. So we know where there are clusters, we know how the cases grow, and where we should do lockdowns and where we start slowly opening up. These are all examples of geomatics at work. Geomatics, because many people haven't heard of it, is rather different than other engineering streams. And it's really focused on the math and the automation and the use of all these amazing technologies that we have to collect and represent and make decisions on spatial information. The type of students that like geomatics are ones who have a strong math background, who do like computers and coding, but don't necessarily want to do math and coding all day, but want to use it in practical ways. They want to actually see the theory being used in practice. There are projects where students do what are called field to finish projects, especially when it comes to surveying and mapping. So they'll go out in the field, collect all kinds of measurements with very high performance equipment and create digital plans that we'll use for construction, building location surveys. Other types of projects use what are called GIS technologies that are very intelligent digital mapping technologies, where they learn how to use these software packages and then build some code on top of that to answer all manner of questions. For example, where am I? How do I get to another location? What can impede my progress to get to that location? There are a lot of small to large land surveying, construction engineering, consulting engineering companies that are always looking for students, whether they be a summer co-op or a longer co-op, whether it's field work, office work, a combination. They're always in need of employees. The prospects are terrific, and they have been for a long time. Companies are always looking for people with this specialized expertise in a variety of fields. Our graduates typically have multiple job offers that they're choosing from, and that's been the case for a long time, and we see that continuing. So we're not just talking about jobs, but careers, and well-paid careers with great futures.